Hello students, hope you have practice at 5.1 and 5.2. Now we are going to start practice at 5.3 based on the formula a minus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, this is our new expansion formula. You have to learn the formula. Now we are going to start the solved example, that is on page number 26. It is example number 1. Expand x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, see, you can see this is similar to the formula, so we can use the formula here. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. So we get a is equals to x and b is equals to 2. Now we have to put the values in the formula. So we will get a's value is x and b's value is 2. So x minus 2 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into a is x into b is 2. So 2 square minus 2 cube. Now solve it. Therefore we have x minus 2 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 3 2s is 6 x square plus 3 into x into 2 square is 4 minus 2's cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore we will have x minus 2 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 3 4s is 12 x minus 8. Now we will solve the first example of practice at 5.3, that is 2m minus 5 whole cube. Okay, it is similar to a minus b whole cube. So apply the formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. A is equals to 2m and b is equals to 5. So at a's place we will write 2m and at b's place we will write 5. So it will become 2m minus 5 whole cube is equals to a cube again. So 2m whole cube minus 3 into 2m square into b is 5 plus 3 into again a is 2m into b is 5. So 5 square minus b cube is 5's cube. Therefore now solve it. 2's cube is 8 and m cube minus 3 into 2 square is 4 and m square will be m square multiplied by 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square is 25. 5 5s is 25 minus 5's cube is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So we will have 8m cube minus 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60 m square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 multiplied by 25. So 25 into 6, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So it will be 150 m minus 125. So our answer is 2m minus 5 whole cube is equals to 8m cube minus 60 m square plus 150 m minus 125. Now we will start our example number 3. Second one is homework, you can do with your own. A is equals to 4 and b is equals to p. So put the formula and put the values. You can solve it with your own, it is easy. Okay, now I am going to teach you third one. Third one is 7x minus 9y whole cube. Okay, now you should learn the cubes. So 7's cube is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 is 343. Similarly 9 cube, that is 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729. Now we will put the formula. We have a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, you have to learn the formula, students. Now compare the values. A is equals to 7x and b is equals to 9y. Now put the values in the formula. So we will have 7x minus 9y whole cube is equals to a cube. A is 7x, so 7x whole cube minus 3 into, again a is 7x, so 7x square into b is 9y plus 3 into a is 7x into b is 9y, so we have b square, so 9y square minus b cube, that is 9y whole cube. Now solve it. You know 7's cube is 3 x cube minus 3 into 7 square is 49 x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9 square is 81 y square minus 9's cube is 729 y cube is y cube. So 343 x cube. Now we have to multiply 49 into 3 into 9. So do it. 49 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 carry. 12 plus 2 14. Multiplied by 9. 9 7s are 63. 6 carry. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So 4 carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have minus 1 3 2 3 x square and y plus, here also we have to do 3 7s are 21. 21 into 81. So you can do 21 into 81. So 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1. So 1 7 0 1 x y square minus 729 y cube. So our answer is 7x minus 9y whole cube is equals to 343 x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 x y square minus 729 y cube. Now we will solve fourth one. Fourth one is 58 whole cube. Okay, fourth one is 58 whole cube. So we have to break it. We have to split it. So we can write, now we are using the formula a minus b cube. So we can write it as 60 minus 2. Okay. We are using the formula a minus b whole cube. So you can write 58 as 60 minus 2. So 60 minus 2 whole cube. Now we can use the formula a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube. Now compare the values. A is equals to 60 and b is equals to 2. Now put the values in the formula. So we will have 60 minus 2 whole cube is equals to a's value is 60. So 60 cube minus 3 into a's value is again 60. So 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into b's value is 2. So 2 square minus again 2 cube. Now we have to simplify it. Therefore it will be 60 minus 2 whole cube is equals to 60's cube. So 60's cube is 60 into 60 into 60. So 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 6 6 again 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. That is 216. So 6 cube is 216 and 3 0. 1 2 3. Okay. So we have 216 000 minus 3 into here 60 square that is 60 into 60, that is equals to 3600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square is 4 minus 2's cube is 8. Now it is 216000 minus 3600 multiplied by 3 2s are 6. So 3600 multiplied by 6. So 0 0 6 6 are 36, carry 3. Again 18 plus 3 is 21. So 21600 plus 3 4s are 12. 12 6 are is 72. So 720 minus 8. Now you have to solve it. So now we will solve 216000 minus 21600 plus 720 minus 8. So 216000. Okay, now subtract 0 0 6 1 2. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, take borrow from 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 1. So we have 194400. Again add 720. So 0 2 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1. 5 9 1. Okay, now subtract 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 1 5 9 1. So our answer is 195112. Okay, now we will do the fifth problem, that is 198's cube. So we have to break it. So we can write it as 200 minus 2. Okay, 200 minus 2 will be 198 whole cube. Now put your formula, a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. A is equals to 200 and b is equals to 2. Now put the values in the formula. Therefore 200 minus 2 whole cube is equals to a cube, that is 200 cube, minus 3 into 200 square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into b is 2, so 2 square minus 2 cube. Now we have to simplify it. So see, 200 into 200 into 200. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros at the back. So it will be 8 and 6 zeros at the back. Okay, now minus 3 into 2 square is 200 into 200. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 zeros at the back. So 4 and 4 zeros at the back into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square 4 minus 2's cube is 8. So we have now solid. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Again here 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, now subtract it. So we have 8 0 0 0 0 2 4. Always write from the ones place from the back. 0 minus 0 0 0 0 0. Take borrow from 8. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. So we have 7 7 6 0 0 0 0 plus 2400 minus 8. Now add 2400. So 0 0 4 2 6, 7, 7. Now we have to subtract minus 8. So take borrow. 8 minus 10 is 2. Here 9 left. 3. 2, 6, 7, 7. So we have 77. We have 77,62,392. We will solve the seventh problem. 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube. Again you can put the formula a minus b whole cube is equals to 3 a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. A is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1 upon a. Now put in the formula. Therefore we have 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube is equals to a is 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into b is 1 upon a plus 3 into a is 1 into b is 1 upon a square minus b cube. B is 1 upon a and its cube. Now simplify it. Therefore we have 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube is equals to 1's cube is 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. So 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 square is 1 and a square is a square minus 1 square is 1. A's cube is a cube. So we will have 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube is equals to 1 minus 3 ones will be 3. So 3 upon a plus here also 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Students, you have to solve 8 and 6 problem with your own. It is homework. So here a's value is x upon 3 and here b's value is 3 upon x. Simply put the values in the formula. Similarly in sixth one, a is equals to 2p and b is equals to 1 upon 2p. So solve it as homework. Now we are going to solve question number 2 simplify of practice at 5.3. So our first problem is 2a plus b whole cube minus 2a minus b whole cube. Okay, so we will break and solve. So take 2a plus b whole cube. You know the formula, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Compare the values. A is equals to 2a and b is equals to b only. So at b's place we will write b only. So put in the formula 2a plus b whole cube is equals to 2a whole cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. So 2a plus b whole cube is equals to 8a cube plus 3 into 4a square into b plus 3 2 is 6 ab square plus b cube. So it is 2a plus b whole cube is equals to 8a cube plus 12a square b 3 4 is 12 plus 6ab square plus b cube. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, we have to solve 2a minus b whole cube. So 2a minus b whole cube is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take the values again. A is equals to 2a and b is equals to b only. So we have 2a minus b whole cube is equals to 2a whole cube minus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. So we will have 2a minus b whole cube is equals to 8a cube minus 3 into 4a square into b plus reduce the 6 ab square minus b cube. So we have 2a minus b whole cube is equals to 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. This is our equation number 2. Now what we have to do, we have to minus. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we have to minus 2a plus b whole cube minus 2a minus b whole cube. So put the values, 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Now minus sign is there, so put a bracket. Now write the value of 2a minus b whole cube. It is 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. Now we have to open the bracket. So 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus 8a cube. Minus into minus will become plus 12a square b. Again minus into plus will become minus 6ab square. Minus into minus will become plus b cube. Now see, similar terms with the opposite sign we can cancel it. Okay, similar terms with the opposite sign we can cancel them. So 8a cube and minus 8a cube. Okay, plus 6ab square and minus 6ab square. Now what is left there? 12a square b plus 12a square b plus b cube and plus b cube. So here we can add, because the terms are like terms, a square, b and b. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24a square b. Similarly b cube, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2b cube. Okay, now we will solve the second problem of question number 2, simplify. So again you have to break it and solve. So 3r minus 2k whole cube. So here we will use a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so solve it. A is equals to 3r and b is equals to 2k. So put the values in the formula. So we have 3r minus 2k whole cube is equals to 3r cube minus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square into minus 2k cube. Okay, now we have to simplify it. So it will be 3's cube, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 27r cube minus 3 into 3 square 9 r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2 square 4 k square minus 2's cube is 8 k cube. So 27r cube minus 3 9s is 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So 54 r square k plus 3 3 is 9. 9 4 is 36. R k square minus 8 k cube. This is our equation 1. Now similarly solve 3r plus 2k whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So again a is equals to 3r and b is equals to 2k. So put the values, 3r plus 2k whole cube is equals to 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k cube. Now 3 square is 27, r cube plus 3 into 3 square is 9, r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 4k square plus 8k cube. So we have 27 r cube plus 3 nines are 27. 27 into 27 into 2 is 54. R square k plus 3 nines are 3 threes are 9. 9 fours are 36. Rk square plus 8k cube. This is our equation number 2. Now we have to add. Okay, 3r minus 2k cube plus 3r plus 2k cube. We have to add them. So from 1 and 2, okay, add it. So we have 3r minus 2k whole cube plus 3r plus 2k whole cube is equals to 3r minus 2k whole cube. We have to write equation 1. 27 r cube minus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square minus 8 k cube. Okay, now plus sign is there, so no change in the sign inside the bracket, so you can simply write the next equation, number 2. So simply put a plus sign and write the next one, equation 2. So we have 27 r cube plus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square plus 8 k cube. Okay, same number with opposite sign we are going to cancel. Okay, same number with opposite sign we are going to cancel. Now what is left? 27 plus 27 r cube. Okay, so 7 plus 7 14, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 54 r cube, and here 3 plus 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So this is our answer, 54 r cube plus 72 r k square. Students, see, when plus sign is there, no changes are there in the sign after the bracket, and when minus sign is there, you have to change the sign in the bracket. Always remember this. Now question number 3 and 4, you have to do it as your homework. Thank you, students.